Explain the teaching of Peter concerning the people. The believers
The
are
people of God.
people of God.
In
1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9 to 10. The believers are chosen people, race, they have been selected. They are a royal priesthood, they are to serve the greatest king, God. They are a holy nation, expected to lead the holy, righteous lives. They belong to God. They form a family of God's own possession. They are to declare wonderful deeds of God, that is to lead a life of worshiping God, testifying about God. They were called from darkness to light, their lives had been transformed and should not dominate by evil. They were once not a people, they were outside the covenant way of life. They are led by the mercies of God, they have received God's grace. 4b, give 6 ways through which Christians can promote unity among themselves in Kenya today. Christians should hold joint interdenominational prayers. Christians take a joint against injustice problems in the country. They should work together to promote educational programs in the country. They should speak with one voice on matters of constitution, political life of the nation. Christians should join together in the training of clergy, pastors from different denominations. They need to provide loans, funds, support to the poor, irrespective of their denominations. Christian churches, organizations should employ Christians from different denominations. Christian communities should unite in provision of medical services. Christians need to respect one another's doctrinal positions. 4c, state how kindness as a fruit of the Holy Spirit is abused in church in Kenya today. By church leaders starting many projects in the church, expecting the congregation to pay the finance. Some Christians fail to work because they expect assistance from others. Some Christians overdepend on other people's assistance effort. Some members of the church failing to return refund borrowed money and expect the money of the church to
some members of the church failing to return or refund borrowed money and expect the members of the church to understand.
Members of the church to understand. When church leaders demand for payment for services they render, when church leaders ask their congregation to cater for their personal needs to further studies or buying of vehicles.